It is means the Indian coastal plains are divided into two parts, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Now through this peninsular India, I am telling you this one, that plains that lies toward the eastern direction in Bay of Bengal are known as eastern coastal plain, whereas the part which lies in the western direction in Arabian Sea are known as western coastal plain. First of all, we are talking about the western coastal plain. It lies between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It extends from Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch is in Gujarat, and to the Kanyakumari in the south. It is narrow and uneven. It is narrow and uneven. Estuaries are in western coastal plains. These estuaries are commonly found in the western coastal plains. Some important ports are also there, like Mumbai and Marmagaon. Another important feature of western coastal plain is salt water lakes or lagoons. The backwaters are known as lagoons. Next one, eastern coastal plain. The second part of the Indian coastal plain is the eastern coastal plain, which lies between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. Once again I am showing Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. This one, the eastern side, and here we have the big water body in the form of Bay of Bengal. So from here West Bengal till to Tamil Nadu we have eastern west coastal plain. It extends from Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. It has deltas of the east flowing rivers. It has the deltas of the east flowing rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and so on. It also has the salt water lakes and lagoons, like this comes for your map work, like Chilika Lake, which is in Orissa, and Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu. Try to find out and locate these two lakes in the physical map of India. After that, you are supposed to prepare the notes only on one topic that is left, that is the Indian islands. The two group of islands in the form of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Island. When you go through the book, you also come to know about these two group of islands. Write at least three main points of these islands. So beta, that's all for this chapter. Go through the chapter, read the chapter well, and then in next session we will do the map work. Have a good day.